For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11.
He's got a plan. He's got a.
Yes, he do.
He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. Let's go. I know that I can trust him. Yeah. I know that I can trust him. Yeah. No matter what the season, yeah. His plans are for a reason. Yeah. I know they are good. I know they are best. The reason I know is because he said he's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. And when I'm feeling so sad, hey, when I am afraid, God will never leave me. No, 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 his love will never change. I know they are good. I know they are best. The reason I know is because he said he's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a plan for me. He's got a really, really, really awesome plan for me. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know. That's what I know. Oh, that's what I know.
Who? Know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Just one more step. Oh, hey friends, I'm Jackson, and I'm so excited because guess what we're doing today? That's right, we're building a robot. I thought that only super smart grown-ups that were engineers could build robots. My aunt got me this cool robot kit made for kids, and all I have to do is follow the plan. Now, there's only one more thing I need to do before I finish the robot. Look, we built this whole robot. Can you guess what it does? Look at the legs. It's a drawing robot. I think I'm gonna call him Vincent. Whoa, look at that. He was going in so many circles. It's so colorful.
Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Jackson. Who? Building a super robot, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I put together this whole robot by myself, just using the plans.
A plan is important. It's true. And God's plans are the best ones for you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello, friends. I'm Justin the Mailman. Today, I'm delivering some very special mail to my friend Piper. Piper's only 8 years old, and she won a very special award. It doesn't matter how old or young you are. You can do big things. Hey, that reminds me of a story from the Bible found in the book of 2nd Chronicles. Do you want to hear it? Great. Now let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. Today's true story from the Bible begins with a kid. Now raise your hand if you're a kid. You can put your hands down now. Now this kid's name was Josiah. Can everyone say, "Hi, Josiah"? Hi, Josiah. Now Josiah had a very special job. Josiah was a king. Can you put a pretend crown on your head? Being a king was an important job. As king, Josiah kept the people safe and helped them know the right things to do. King Josiah loved God. He wanted to follow God's plans. One day, he had a great idea that would help his people follow God's plans too. King Josiah decided to repair the temple so the people could go and worship God. While the people were working, someone found a very special book. Do you think it was a book about birds? No. Was it a book about how to make bread? No. This book was the most special book. It was so special because it had God's words in it. Someone quickly took the book to King Josiah because it had been a long time since anyone had read God's words. So when King Josiah heard God's words, he called all the people together so they could hear God's words too. Everyone say, "Come here, come here, come here, come here." King Josiah wanted all people to hear God's words. Old people, young people, tall people, and short people. It did not matter where you lived or what job you had. King Josiah wanted all the people to hear God's words. After everyone had heard God's words, King Josiah and all the people promised to follow God's plans. Why? Well, because God's plans are best. It was such an amazing day. King Josiah knew that God's plans are best. God had big plans for King Josiah. Now, everyone point to yourself. God has plans for you too. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who has plans for you? God has plans for me. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who has plans for you?
God has plans for me. That's the truth, friends. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God had plans for Josiah the king, and God's plans are best for us too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow. Josiah was really young, and God had plans for him, just like how God has plans for you and me too. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. You know, these building plans for Vincent the robot were pretty awesome. But God's plans are even more awesome. I mean, they're the very best. Let's see what Vincent will draw next. See you next time. Bye. Go Vincent!
the beginning, God made everything, everything. In the beginning, God made everything, everything.